There are two GPD replacement compressor options for a 2007 to 2010 Kia Rondo 2.4-liter gas engine, 6512-876 and 6512-678. During the Kia Rondo production cycle, the OE compressor style was changed from a Denso style 10 PA17 to a Denso style 6 SBU16. There are key differences between these compressor styles that can be identified by looking at the hose mounts on the compressor. GPD 6512-876 will have two hoses that mount to the top of the compressor via a manifold. GPD 6512-678, Denso 6 SBU16 style, will have one hose that mounts to the body and another that mounts to the rear of the compressor. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.